Have you ever experienced such troubles? Now the EasyDeploy solution can make this so easy. Let's take a look at how EasyDeploy solves these problems. The first problem: an enterprise has a new office building on its campus. The new office network needs to be deployed and connected to the campus network. The first job for the network administrator is to plan the network and create configuration files for new devices on a local computer. Using the EasyDeploy solution, the devices to be configured are also called clients. Then the administrator needs to upload the files for the clients to a file server. The next step is to select a running device on the network as the commander. The commander can be located anywhere on the network, but there must be reachable routes between the commander and the file server. The following information must be configured on the commander: an IP address, which is used to communicate with clients on the network; file server information, including the file server type, IP address, and user account; information about the files to be loaded onto the clients. This includes system software names, configuration names, and patch file names; and file activation policies. This includes the time and method to activate these files once they've been downloaded onto the clients. After the commander configuration is complete, the next step is to configure a DHCP server. The DHCP server will allocate IP addresses to the clients so they can communicate with the commander. If the DHCP server is not loaded on the same network segment as the clients, a DHCP relay agent must be deployed between them. After all configurations are complete, installation personnel need to install the clients in the new office building. At this time, the clients have no configuration files. They are unconfigured devices. Then the clients must be powered on. The clients start the unconfigured device deployment process immediately. They first apply for an IP address from the DHCP server. The server responds with IP addresses allocated to the clients, as well as the commander's IP address. After the clients obtain IP addresses as well as the commander's IP address, they can then pull file information from the commander. The clients then download the required files from the file server according to the file information. After downloading the files, the clients activate the files according to the configured policy and start operating normally. Now, EasyDeploy has finished the whole deployment process. It frees you from the trouble of manually configuring the new clients one at a time. Let's take a look at how EasyDeploy helps solve the second problem. Now we use EasyDeploy to perform a batch upgrade. Step 1. Deploy the commander and the file server. They provide the same function as they do in the unconfigured device configuration scenario. Step 2. Specify the commander's IP address on the clients to enable them to communicate with the commander. Step 3. Issue the upgrade instructions to the clients on the commander. The clients then start the batch upgrade process. First, the clients communicate with the commander to get information about the files they need to download. Then the clients download the required files from the file server according to the file information. After downloading the files, the clients activate the files according to the configured policy and start operating normally. Now, EasyDeploy has finished the batch upgrade and saves you the trouble of upgrading all the clients one at a time. Finally, let's look at how EasyDeploy solves the third problem. If EasyDeploy is already deployed on your network, an automatic configuration file backup has been configured on the commander. EasyDeploy can quickly synchronize the new configuration to the new device that replaces the faulty one. When a device on your network fails, you can configure the mapping between the new client and the faulty client on the commander. After the new client replaces the faulty one and is powered on, it immediately starts the faulty device replacement process. The subsequent process is similar to the unconfigured device deployment process. That is, the new client applies for an IP address, gets file information, downloads files, and activates these files. EasyDeploy has finished the faulty device replacement process, and you do not need to configure the new client manually. EasyDeploy greatly improves device deployment and maintenance efficiency, as some repetitive, laborious operations can be done by network devices. That's all for the EasyDeploy feature set available on Huawei S-Series switches of V2R3. If you want to learn more about our products, please scan the QR code above or visit us at enterprise.huawei.com. Thank you for watching.